Hi everybody, Alan here from Basecamp Brooklyn. Coming to you from Massachusetts. I'm out here on the road in Massanutten, Virginia, which is part of the Shenandoah Valley. It is a beautiful day out. It is sweltering about 90 degrees, but I am out here doing some cooking. Today what we're cooking is blackened chicken. Blackened chicken actually originated from New Orleans. I've been down south, you guys know that if you watch my other videos. I've been down south for quite some time. I'm kind of still on that southern tip. I love the spices that the southern cooking has. I love the heat that it brings as well. So I got some chicken thighs. I like chicken thighs because they're a little more fatty, and I'm going to be grilling them so they won't dry out as quickly as chicken breasts. So got a whole bunch of spices. I got some dried savory. I got some ground cumin. I got some paprika. And I got two types of habanero. I got some habanero chili powder and some dried habanero flakes, which I got from the market this morning. Got some garlic, got salt and pepper. So we are going to marinate the chicken with the spices, and then we're gonna blacken it on the grill. Then as that's cooking, we're gonna grill some vegetables as well to pair it on the plate. So let's get right into it. You guys excited?
Let's go.
Let's go. So, chicken. We're gonna start with some fresh garlic because you know I love my garlic.
We're gonna chop it really, really nice and small.
That in here. This is gonna be a really, really easy recipe, you guys. And you can make a whole bunch. So the dried savory. So savory is kind of dried herbs that have no sweetness to it. So it's more on the bitter end. So let's throw that in there. Got the ground cumin. Boom. Paprika. Boom. Habanero chili powder. And dried habanero chili flakes. I'm gonna throw some pepper in there. Like a lot of pepper. And I got my salt in here. I usually use rock salt. And I will have it in my mortar. And I'll just throw a little bit of that in there. When I cook chicken, I like to put a little acid so it actually helps tenderize the chicken. So what I'm using is just a dash of white wine vinegar and some olive oil. Kind of hold all those spices together. And then we are going to mix it up. Mix it up. You know what? Use my hands.
All the spices really, really. Alright.
So what I'm going to do, probably need to marinate this for at least an hour. You can marinate it overnight, even better. So I'm going to put this in the fridge and let it marinate for a little bit, and then about an hour I'll come back, cleaned up, and then we will continue. We'll throw it in the grill, and then we'll prep the vegetables for the grilling. Okay? Be right back. Alright, you guys. So, chicken's been marinating for a little while. Look at those herbs, you guys. Oh my gosh. Here, take a close up. So, grill's nice and hot. And we're just going to put it right in there. That is the best, when you put it in and then just start smoking. Ooh-wee. All right. Gonna let that cook. I got it on high heat. So that's gonna be fun. While that's going, we're gonna get started on our vegetables. We're gonna grill some onions. Look at these things that I got. Look at these peppers. All from the farmer's market. Got these at the market at Harrisonburg. Look at these squash. This is a zucchini, and this is a squash. I don't know. And then look at these tomatoes. Gorgeous. I'm not gonna grill tomatoes this time because we grilled it on the other video. You know, I don't want to be repetitive. Now, mean jelly bean. Start with the onions. Two big things of onions. These are going to be really just simple. We're going to put some just olive oil. That. And this one. And cook it like that as well. I'm going to leave the seeds there too. Ooh-wee. That's all we're going to do. Super easy. Olive oil. Pepper. And some salt. Boom, boom, boom. A little more. Boom. Alright, so I'm going to turn the chicken over. There you go. There you go. Those peppers, they get blackened. That's why they call it blackened. Similar spices used on fish. Fish is a popular one as well. So, I'm gonna let that cook for a little bit. I'm gonna cover it as well so the inside starts cooking as well. And I'll be right back. Oh man, you guys, look at all this smoke. I love it. Hello. Alright, one more turn. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about, you guys. Ooh, that's what I call blackened. Blackened. Alright. So we're going to move these to the warm side. Because I just want to try the outside, but I don't want to keep on charring it so that it's burnt. I also want the chicken to stay tender. So I'm going to move it over here so it could start just kind of slow cooking. I got it on medium heat over here. And I'm going to do it again on the other side. Ooh, that's a close call. Alright, I'm going to close this up. I'm going to let that cook for a little bit. Alright, while you guys blinked, I actually put some veggies on the plate, some greens, cut up some of this cucumber that we got from the market today. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Let's go, you guys. So, for good measure, a little more olive oil. You guys haven't figured out yet, I love me some olive oil. It's really a good fat. If you don't like olive oil, you could use avocado oil or coconut oil. Really good oil alternatives, really good fats, provide really good energy for you. And a little more pepper on the veggies. And then we're gonna plate, then we are gonna eat. So let's get this chicken. Woo-wee. Alright, you guys, we are all plated. We are ready to eat. There's 2 plates here, one for me, one for Aaron. Let me know where you are, and if I'm in the area, maybe I'll, maybe we'll do some cooking wherever you're at, because I am in Virginia right now, and it is beautiful over here, the Shenandoah Valley. Tomorrow we are going to do the Skyline Drive. We're going to check out some of the caverns, maybe do a little more camping as well. So, guys, thank you for watching. I am going to try this. Okay, let's try it. I know it's gonna be a little spicy. I mean, that's what it's supposed to be. New Orleans style. Yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Nom 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 nom. Fresh vegetables, right from local farms. Nothing better to eat. If you guys know me, I do a regular detox as well, so this meal right here is detox friendly. There is no gluten, there is no dairy, there is no sugar. It is all clean eating. Everything is organic, locally grown. So try it at home. Leave me a message, let me know how it is, how you like it. Any other comments you want to put down in there, I will answer it as well. So whatever questions you have, definitely hit me up. So guys, thank you for hanging out with me. The sun's going down. I don't know if you can tell in the video. It is about 6 o'clock here in the Shenandoah Valley. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so you get notifications on when my next videos are. And check out my Patreon as well. So if you want to support me in other ways, check out my Patreon. Guys, thank you so much for joining me again. and I will see you next week. Bye.